I'm going to go ahead and click on those 3 lines. And I want you to look right here. This is the submit. And what submit does is it creates almost like an assignment for Google Classroom. So when I click it, what's going to happen is it's signing me in. And I already have one that I created yesterday. I said, record your thoughts, tell me something about yourself. How are you feeling this first week of school? So here it is. I don't have any submissions to this one. And notice that I'm using the submit free. Okay, that's important because the submit free for us in this lettuce, since we have all the other goodies, this means that we only get one submit at a time, which means this one's open. This one is currently open. So I can't create another one, even though it says new assignment up here. I can't create a new one until I close this one. I have to close this one first, but this one's still open, so I'm not going to do anything with this one. So I copy the link, right? And I'm just going to go walking into my Google Classroom here, and I'm going to go ahead and create an assignment. Record your thoughts first week of school. Okay, and I'm going to click add, and I'm going to click link. And I'm going to paste that link in there. All right. So now all the students have to do is they go here. They don't even need to have the application. They go here. They're able to record just like the Canon Flipgrid. They don't have to have anything downloaded or anything. They go in here and then they submit it. And when they submit it, then on the back end, what you get is you're going to see the submission. You're going to see the submissions up here, and you'll be able to see what you can actually click in those submissions and see what has been submitted to you. You can watch the videos and move on from there. So this is really, really cool. But again, since we were just using the submit free, we get one submission at a time, or one assignment at a time. You can have lots and lots of people of kids or people submit, but you only allowed one open link at a time. So once I close this one, then I can create a new one. That's the difference between the free and the unlimited.